Hello, Eagle County. Air conditioning service and repair shouldn't be a mystery and on the list give you anxiety. That is why at Elite HVAC Contractors we are pleased to announce our two-tier air conditioning service and repair. Our first tier would be flat rate pricing for common wear and tear items in your air conditioning system. What that means is if we go out to your home and we do a repair that falls under our flat rate pricing, we will not charge you a diagnostic fee, and we will just charge you the flat rate price to get your AC system fixed. If you want to see a full list of our flat rate prices, please go to our website and take a look. Our second tier of air conditioning service and repair would be for more complicated repairs. What happens with a more complicated repair is that we charge a diagnostic fee of $150. But don't worry, before we do any work to repair your air conditioning system, we give you a proposal with a set price. That way there's no surprises on the billing once the repair is done. If you have any more questions about air conditioning service and repair, feel free to go to our website, follow us on our social media accounts, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date.